welcome back. I'm in Wells Cathedral. Why is that, do you think? Today's video is sponsored by Heart of the Tribe Gallery, where art meets community. More about that later. Hello, I'm in Wells Cathedral today because today is the annual Lantern Parade here in Wells, and it starts here in the wonderful Wells Cathedral. As you can see, there's lights over there already starting off. I think this will be started off soon and leave the cathedral. I'd say this is an annual event in Wells and it gets bigger each year. We were here last year. I'll put a link to the video in the description. I think they're going to parade around the cathedral before they leave. So after a couple of laps around the cathedral, we'll be leaving the building and heading off into the outside world where it's dark and all these lights will show up. So any moment now the procession's going to come down and leave by this door behind me. So they're going to appear in the Penniless Porch in a moment, after which they're going to head over there to that magnificent structure, which is the entrance to the Bishop's Palace. I've just been told that the collection buckets are to fund next year's Lantern Parade, which is good, so they're obviously going to put it on next year. So here we are, we're inside the Bishop's Palace now, and any moment now the procession is going to come through that gate, go around this circle here, and then back out the other side. here we have the Refreshments. After a long night walking through the cold air. Hot dogs. There they are down there. I expect these will go very quickly once they stop. This won't last 5 minutes. It looks delicious. That's lovely. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Vegetable soup, parsley and lemon soup, all different sorts of soup. We've got curry veg, quite hot. We've got parsnip and lemon, and we've got fresh organic tomato and basil. Wow! And then you put a donation in there. Sadly, I'm not carrying cash tonight, so I have to miss it all out. But never mind, let's go back to the parade. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the festivities are coming to an end. The crowd is going to hit that refreshment bar very soon, and I don't think there's going to be a lot left. So, on that note, as it winds down, I'm going to head off back home so that I can put this video out before tomorrow. So, thank you for coming along today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I look forward to coming back next year. But for now, I'm off. Thank you. Bye-bye. The Heart of the Tide Gallery is a community art gallery situated near the top of Glastonbury High Street. They host amazing exhibitions supporting local artists, and they have a beautiful secret garden out the back. So be sure to check them out and support local art.